Hello everyone, this is Rizwan, a chemistry tutor. I have completed my graduation as a Bachelor of Science and currently pursuing Bachelor of Education final year. Today we are going to study about the well-known topic, that is acids, bases and salts. The food we eat have different taste. Have you ever thought what causes food to taste different? It is the substance present in it. If substance contain acid, it will taste sour. If our substance contain base, it will taste bitter. Now the problem is that we cannot taste the unknown substance. Why? Because it could be harmful to us. It could be poisonous to us. So in chemistry we have a certain method to check whether our substance is acidic or basic. Now how to check the substance? How to check the acidic or basic nature of the substance? By using, first method is by using pH. pH, how to check pH? By using pH scale. The pH scale, in pH scale, P stands for potential of hydrogen. It means how much hydrogens are present in the substance. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. Now how to check pH? We will have to first make the aqueous solution of the substance. How to make aqueous solution? The aqueous solution is made by dissolving it in water. The unknown substance we are given with, we will dissolve it in water and we will come across with aqueous solution. Now in aqueous solution, if there are H plus ions in it, then we will say our substance is acidic. How to check whether there are H plus ions or not? Our pH scale will range from 0 to 6.9 if there are H plus ions. Then we will conclude that our substance is acidic. On the other hand, for bases, aqueous solution, we will make the aqueous solution the same method. We will take unknown substance, we will dissolve it in water and we will come across with OH minus ions. If our solution have OH minus ions, the pH scale will range from 7.1 to 14 and this will tell us that our substance is basic in nature. Another method is litmus test. How litmus test is done? By using litmus paper. There are two types of litmus paper, red and blue. Aqueous solution, we will take aqueous solution and we will dip a blue litmus paper in this solution. If the color of litmus paper turns from blue to red, we will say that our substance is acidic. On the other hand, our aqueous solution, we will take aqueous solution and we will dip red litmus paper this time. The color of red litmus paper will turn to blue and we will say that our substance is basic in nature. The third method, for example, let us take an example. HCl, we don't know that HCl is acid or base. Let us assume that we don't know. When we dissolve it in water, it will dissociate into H plus ions and Cl minus ions. The H plus ion indicates that it is acid and the pH scale will show range from 0 to 6.9. Also, the blue color of litmus paper will turn to red when it is dipped in this aqueous solution, which will tell us that HCl is acidic in nature. On the other hand, NaOH, let us assume NaOH, we don't know NaOH, what is it, is basic or acidic. We will dip the red litmus paper in this. First of all, the NaOH, when the aqueous solution is formed, it will give OH minus ion in its aqueous solution, which will tell us that our NaOH is basic. We can further check it with the litmus test. We will dip the red litmus paper in the aqueous solution and it will change the red color of litmus paper to blue color, which will tell us that okay, our substance is basic in nature. Next is salt. Salt is the mixture of acid and base. We will take acid and base, it will form salt and water. Let us take the example, acid, HCl as acid, NaOH as base, it will form NaCl, which is common salt, also called sodium chloride, and this is water. So this is salt, this is acid and this is base. I hope you have understood the basic concept of acid and bases. This is Rizwan. Thank you so much.